Hello students, many times you hear people saying, hey BODMAS. So BODMAS is a Hindi word usually used to say somebody, a boy, a girl, a little girl, a mischief, a naughty child, right? But did you know that there is a rule that is pronounced as BODMAS? So this is an acronym, okay? So you need this is used in math, right? And how do you understand and use this? Is trying to understand what this acronym stands for, right? So B is for bracket, O is for off, D is for divide, M is for multiplication, A is for add, and S is for subtract, right? So this is actually a sequence. Whenever you have an equation to solve, this is the sequence that you need to follow. Now whenever you see the bracket, you will solve the bracket first. If you see off written somewhere in the question, right, you will solve the off first. Off means also multiplication, right? D is divide, and then you do the multiply, then you do the addition, and then you do the subtraction. So let's take an example. You have 4 square plus 3 times 7 plus 2 minus 1, right? So this is an equation, right? So you understand this rule, and then this is the sequence that you need to follow. So you will see if you have a bracket here, yes, so you have a bracket, you need to solve the bracket first. After that you have off, no, you don't have off. You have division, no, you don't have division. Do you have multiplication? Yes, you have multiplication here and here. 4 square is 4 times 4, right? Yes, there is an addition. Subtraction, yes, there is a subtraction. So you will solve that in sequence. So the next step will be, you will write it as 4 times 4 plus 3 times 7 plus 2, 9 minus 1. This is the first step. Now when you go to second step, you will do the multiplication. So next you don't have off, you don't have divide, you have multiplication. So 4 times 4 is 16, 3 times is 27 minus 1, right? Now next is addition. So you need to do the addition first and then the subtraction, right? So 7 plus 6, 3, and 43 minus 1, right? So this is what the addition of these two numbers is, and then 43 minus 1 is 42. This is how you will solve the equation. Let's take another example, right? Let's say you have a number 8 divided by 4 in plus 3 times 7 minus 2, let's say. All right. So here you will see this. I have kept it in bracket just for understanding. Let's say if it is written like this also, it means the same, right? So let's say you have an equation like this, right? So what do? You cannot, you need to follow a sequence. You cannot do 4 plus 3 first or 7 minus 2 first. You have to follow a sequence to get the correct answer. So when you see the formula for BODMAS, you see that, okay, you need to, there is no bracket here, there is no off here, but we have a divide, right? So you will solve this division first. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then you will do the multiplication. 7 times 3 is 21 minus 2, right? So this is what you will do, or to be exact, it should be like this on first step. Second step will be like this. You will solve the multiplication. Third step will be, you will do the addition, and the fourth step will be, you will do the subtraction. So I hope you understand what BODMAS is, and try to memorize it. I would not say memorize, but this is a very good way to understand how do you solve the mathematical and arithmetical equations.